Hello guys, welcome back to where we keep it simple, easy and absolutely delicious. A big thank you to all our returning subscribers for always supporting me. And a warm welcome to all our new subscribers who just joined our little cooking family. We are so glad to have you here. So today I have something exciting for you. I'm going to show you how you can make your KFC style fried chicken at home using a whole chicken. That's right, juicy, crispy, golden chicken just like your favorite takeout, but made in your own kitchen step by step. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Trust me, they will thank you for it later. First of all, get your clean, fresh whole chicken. Once you have your clean chicken, cut it into the pieces you want. Now, take a bowl and add a generous amount of yogurt. Then, go ahead with garlic and ginger paste. Add some seasoned cube, cumin, paprika, black pepper, and finally, a good pinch of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until it is well combined. Make sure there is no lumps left in the mixture. The goal is smooth, even marinade that will cut every single piece of chicken. Once your mixture is ready, take your chicken pieces and immerse them fully into the marinade. Now it is very important to understand why this mixture is key. The yogurt tenderizes, the ginger and garlic infuse flavor, and the spices penetrate the chicken during marination. This step is what makes your fried chicken taste rich, juicy, and full of layers of flavor. Something you just can't get from fast food. Mix the chicken thoroughly in the marinade, making sure each piece is fully coated. After cutting, cover the chicken and let it sit for 2 to 3 hours in the fridge. But I'm leaving mine for 2 hours. This resting period is crucial. It allows the flavors to penetrate deep into the meat. Then in an empty container, add 2 to 2½ cup of flour. To this, add paprika, oregano and pinch of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until it is well combined. This is your crispy coating mixture that will give your chicken that golden and crunchy. Once your chicken has marinated, then it is time to cut it. So take piece by piece of the chicken and dip it fully in the flour mixture, pressing it gently so that it sticks evenly. Make sure every nook and cranny is coated because any bare spot will not crisp up and nicely during frying. Take your time here, dip, press and cut thoroughly. Then set it aside and let it rest for a moment. Repeat this process for all the chicken pieces until each one is fully coated and ready for frying. Now heat up oil to medium heat. You don't want it too hot because frying too fast will burn the outside while leaving the inside raw. Place the chicken pieces one by one into the oil, making sure they don't overcrowd the pan. Fry each piece for about 15 minutes, turning occasionally to cook evenly. The smell at this point is irresistible. The aroma of the spices, the fried crust, and the juicy chicken fills the kitchen. So once golden brown and crispy, remove the pieces and set them aside on a wrap or paper towel to drain the excess oil. Repeat for the remaining chicken until all pieces are fried to perfection. Finally, just look at our crispy golden chicken. It is crunchy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside, and packed with flavor. Making it at home is not only easy, but you also get the satisfaction of cooking something truly delicious yourself. Trust me, it tastes even better than takeout. So, enjoy your homemade KFC style chicken. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like and share with your friends and family so they can try it too. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.